We're here in Nice. We're still trying to look for the exit. We've been here.
Yeah, exit.
At sortie.
Wala bang nating to declare?
Ayan, sortie. We're going to take the tram going to St. Augustine. Apparently this tram is free. It's airport tram. Pamilya saya is gutom na. Yeah. Oh, meron pala.
Dali lang picture muna tayo.
Cheaper siya pag kasama
Yan mo na lang
dito.
dito.
Kukuha kong time to buy.
Selfie mo na lang.
18. See you when I see you. Sir, there's...
Lahat kami. Buti na rin mo.
Nakalimutan natin.
Welcome to Cannes.
Hindi, mas parang alas 5 talaga doon. Yes. Alas 5 talaga.
Adrian!
Platform sila?
Hello, Alexander! A bunch of Chinese people.
Restaurant daw yan.
Kikay, yung mag-grocery, dyan sa Kikay. Kikay.
Bunch of Chinese people. So I didn't hear anything. Walking.
Fishing excursion?
Sige, sa Friday, mag-book tayo.
Sige.
Group picture tayo.
On the ferry going to St. Margaret's.
Sa Iloilo. Ang coated.
St. Margaret's.
Mag-group picture na muna tayo. Pwede dali.
We are in Ireland.
St. Margaret?
St. Margaret, in the south of France.
St. Margaret.
Asawa ni Raymond,
Pinapangita, yaman kabalan niya, Papa.
Ako ikaw, pwede ko yung mamaya. You will think of
Parang ano, kahit totoo ka.
Ano yung taga Pontevedra? It's
a whale.
Warm over there.
Oh, is it warm?
Yeah, because of the seaweed, I think.
Ah,
I don't like it.
bata.
Kasi magbato, ewan ko kanila.
Ah, sige.
Hello.
Nandun yung statue kaya
Malalim? Malalim?
malayo. Tas malayo.
Oh, 5 yun.
Jason, look after your mom's stuff.
Mandi ka dama.
Oo. Pakwa na pala tayong ward.
Sige, sige. How's the was it wet?
think it's a bit dry. The water is a bit dry, Tito. It's more seasoned than dry.
Go, 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 go. Oh, kaya na. Albo ka manula ka.
Ano binibenta mo?
Ha?
Ano binibenta?
Suman.
Suman?
Oo.
May nabili na ba or ubos?
Wala pa. May hinabenta. Tsaka taho. Taho!
Si Kurt sa likod. Mapos.
Sinday. Sinday, kasabay ko na kanina.
They will be okay, baby. Kada na.
Marunong naman yun Sinday umuwi.
Alalanguyin niya yun.
Ayun yung lamuyin niya. Galing mag-picture isa sa aton, tumanaog o, bulos-bulos.
Balik na rin mo yung spelling, yung sa picture.
Mirror, mo ba tayo mirror, no?
Mirror.
Ha? Mabasa ka ka ba na ka?
Nani, Day? Ako man pa ako. Ba, pumapasok yung mga tao.
Kaya lang tayo, pasok ka sa revolving doon, sabay labas.
Ano lang yan siya.
Nandun na naman din ang mga kabataan.
Picturean ka ka. Do auto placement na naman tayo dito. Ayoko na. Hindi ako bagay dito.
We're going to Monaco!
Pag hindi ka na validate, ma-fine.
We're in Monaco now.
Maybe picture to kami.
Jason.
Magkakasino tayo.
Dito, baby. Open sea. I think we can go through there, go.
Mas may coffee shop that's girl, no?
We can go through there. Drink, silence, cup. Tungkol ng bus stop pala mo.
Let's look for the bus stop, Jing.
After 2 hours of waiting for this 602 bus, we managed to catch it.
Worth it, huh?
And Camilla, she paid for our fare because it's only cash only. So the rest of the Pamilya Siya gave up and went home. Luhaan.
For your patience.
Patience is a virtue.
No, Eze went on our way. The rest of the group stayed in the casino. Monte Carlo. We are in Irisi village and we don't want to know what we expect. But it feels like a sleepy town. It's lovely. Oh.
That is the S village.
We have to go. So we're gonna go up there on top. Easy village.
Port meron.
Ay, Christmas bubble.
Ay, God.
Oh, painting niya. Ano yung painting niya, baby?
Nagulat ako.
Close.
Baka magulat siya. Natunan dito.
Kapeng. Stop. Yan. And harap sa akin konti. Go, Mamela. 1, 2, 3.
Private.
Oo, kasama natin sila nanay Els. Yung bahay natin.
Lugat, soup.
Wow. Meron may sampol, oh.
Check ko na saan.
This is the
You made my life
I love the tree
the
fries.
first order we ever had, literally 3 fries.
We are on our, this is the last bus from Ese. Oh. Where are you guys going?
Manto.
Manto. We're in the Menton seaside.
Parang doon ang center nila.
Ano, from bottom, pakitaan? Oo. Tingnan natin.
Ito ka mabi mo. I can... 1, 2.
Baka itong sabi na beach na malapit sa Basilica.
Hindi na kami, ayaw na yun.
So we've been fishing here. At Menton for about 1 hour. Not even a single bite. We tried different lure. I used soft plastics and also some lures I took from Norway. So it's 6 o'clock and it's low tide. And you can see this beautiful background. You can see the highways just alongside the mountain. There's one fisherman as well who just finished fishing and he didn't caught anything. He didn't catch anything. We're in Antibes. Nandito ngayon ang mga day off ngayon. We're in Nice.
They're both really hard.
I found it.
That's a bottle. Cute. Yeah.
Matamot, Jeng. Bakla naman si Alex.
Picture na tayo, Casey?
Yep.
Are you family?
Sige.
Ikaw, si Beng, na-picture mo na pa.
Wala pa.
Sige, Beng.